Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to get evil costume on Snapchat. So for you to get that, you're going to tap on your Bitmoji icon, then you tap on the Bitmoji itself, then you swipe up, then you tap on change outfit, then you are going to move to this anger icon, then you swipe up, then you scroll all the way down. Then you find the okay, good. This is it here. We have the evil costume. We have it in red. We also have it in black. So I'm gonna tap on the red one, then swipe down, then hit the save button. Okay, you can see outfit saved. You can see that we have successfully changed our Bitmoji into evil costume. Thank you and follow for more.